And here we are. It is nice to come back into Mother Nature's basket by the water and amongst the trees and the leaves and life. To hear nothing but the water and to know that everything will be all right. And for so long we haven't had that, or at least I haven't felt that in a long time. But today I do, and for that I am grateful. So wherever your journey takes you today, may you find solitude, may you find peace, may you find rest, may you be safe, may you be well, and may you be loved and be loved in all ways, always.